captain's log or Poe's log. Cruise date, well, I don't know, but I've been floating on a boat for quite a few days, and I'm here to document my adventures. Here on this boat, I have been traveling, and while I've been traveling, I happened to meet quite a few people that I've met before. Hey! Wait a minute. Haven't I met you guys before in Little Town? What are you doing here?
Well, we made so much money off the cardboard arcade.
We decided to go on this cruise.
What are you doing here?
Well, I've been feeling a little lonely, and I decided to float away.
Well, come float away with us.
Okay.
This is the life.
Oh, come be back.
Oh, beautiful. Simply beautiful.
Ah, the ocean. It's so... So life at sea has been fabulous. What do you think about it?
It's Fabu.
Fabu? What about you?
Go away. I'm too cool for this.
Oh,
So lame.
so lame. Life has been so
Flame.
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 This is totally weird. So beautiful.
This piece is so...
So exquisite.
Amazing.
So exquisite.
How the color. Oh, amazing. Simply amazing.
It's perfect.
It's so warm.
So
color. So
So
warm.
Captain Poe here, with my little town friends, Snickerdoodle and Seasick.
I'm seasick.
We are here to go on a wind-swept adventure. Here we go! Off on a wind-swept adventure on this boat trip adventure! Poe Jester here on the boat of my adventure. Now I found a little hidden messages here on this boat. Here, right here, my bunker. Right on my bunker there is a message here that says, watch your head. And I was reading that message here and thinking, what does it mean, watch your head? Then it came to my mind. It came right here in my head. It means look into your mind. And when you are on a boat and you are stuck on that boat thinking for a very long time, it makes you think into your head. It looks into your creative mind and thinks of the things that create into your mind. So when you look in your mind, you see the creativity inside and it grows. See the exciting things you could find when you are on that boat of your life. Exciting things happen in a boat. Carry on.